Hello everyone and welcome back to another Gear Shifters video. Now, a couple of days ago, I received a package from the post and I'm going to show you exactly what was in it. Enjoy the video. And here is the final thing, all set up in my room, of course, facing the telly, so I can actually see where I'm driving, and I'm pretty happy with it. Right, I'm just gonna take a seat in it. Ooh. Ah, yeah, this is quite relaxing in here. Very comfortable seat. Perfect view ahead of my TV screen.
Of course, got the wheel,
Pedals down here.
yeah, pretty good.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave your comments down below as well. And turn that notification bell on. Almost forgot that bit. So you'll be notified every time I post a video. So, see you next time. Bye bye.